Okay, here we have the fuse that we had in the Lampegoid, the Vancouver Lampegoid, for the last series of tests. Now it's intended to blow if something goes wrong here and shorts out, so I want to make it more sensitive, so I'm going to take it out. There we go, take it out. And what I've got here is what I call a Wisker fuse. Very, very fine wire, 3/1000ths of an inch. Between these two copper alligator clips, you can hardly see it. So I've turned on the power. This light is rolling to prove that it's working. So I'm going to add a bright set of lights to it, halogen lights, with the intent of blowing the fuse. So we're getting close. Here we go at 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Switches. This is just a simple switch. Call it a knife switch. On and off. Open.